Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie and today I bring you this video because I've seen a lot of people do it and I was like, okay, I can do it too, so people can have a reference of what they can buy for Christmas, or maybe something that they give me, it will be good for you, or you can know me a little bit better or what I like. Now if you want to see what I got for Christmas, please just keep watching. Okay, before we start this video, I just want to say I'm not showing all these things for you to see that I got better things or that I'm better than anyone. Not at all. I wanted to show you so you guys can see and have reference of maybe for you, you're looking for something like that, or maybe a gift for someone else that is similar to me. This is what I'm showing. All these gifts, they are not that expensive, some of them, but it's not the price, it's just the value that of that person when they give it to me. It was really special. Even the simple one is the one that I love the most. So I just want to show all this so you can have reference, but not to see what I have or if I feel better than anyone else, nothing like that, okay? So now with further ado, I want to start with things that they give me for my hair, because as you can see, for the first time I have a change in my hair. Okay, the story with my hair is that I cut it like really short and I let it grow with my natural color hair, but now it's like I'm tired, my hair is super long, I need to change, and I'm getting married soon, so I wanted to change. That's why I did this. It's still in process, it's not finished, but so far I like it. So the first thing are these cute things that I have right here. Oh my god, Allah give it to me. They are gorgeous and they're so feminine and so girly. I don't know, I just love them. And he also gave me, he also gave me like a bunch of this. These ones are from Claire. These ones are part of this package. And they are so cute and so girly. I don't know, I just love them. He also got me these two headbands. I love headbands like a lot. From the same place, from Claire's. This one, it matched a lot of my sweaters that I have. That's why he bought it for me. And this one, I just love it because, you know, of the sunflower. I don't know, it's just so cute and so soft. I don't know. You will see me in Instagram. In Instagram, a lot of people have seen me with the new hair. If you do not follow me on Instagram, go follow me right now, because you're missing a lot of recipes that I put there, and also a lot of hairstyle, makeup, and things that Blue does. That those are really cute and important. So besides these two, he also gave me these cute flowers. These ones are clips. Look. These ones are clip. You see how cute? Oh my god, and they match with my hair. Can you see that? It's so cute. He also gave me a lot of these ones. He gave me like big ones. These two styles. I don't know how you call them. I don't know how you call them in English, but in Spanish it's called pellizco. I don't know. In English I think it's hair clips or clips. Okay, now we're gonna jump to the next gift, and this one, I love it. This is a makeup bag, but as soon as I saw it, I felt in love because of the design, the flowers, and this is like a pink gold shimmery thing. And I don't know, for me, when I saw it, it was everything. But it does have these two zippers, but it also have this one in the middle. I love it, and I was gonna use like to put all my makeup brushes in here, and then in here and in here the products that I'm gonna use. So another thing that they give me is these makeup brushes that they are so cute, and they came with this cup that I am obsessed with cups. Like, whoever knows me, I need to have a cup as a present because I eat a lot of ice. And when you eat a lot of ice, you need a lot of cups. That's my secret. So this one is super cute because all the makeup brushes came like inside the glass. So it was super cute when I saw it. And the person that gave it to me is really special. So this is a special gift. And I also got another cup that this one, it says, is the most wonderful time of the year. And it is, because I got it in the most wonderful time of the year. And I just love it. I just love cups. Like I can marry a cup. No, just kidding. Another gift was this bag, and it's so cute because this is the bag that you use on the go, like when you don't want to carry a lot of stuff, only the important things, because it's super small and simple, but oh my god, so cute. Like, what do you say about the color? It's everything. I don't know, it's super cute and simple. I love simple stuff. Another thing that they gave me is this glitter set. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, how many things can I create for my viewers and how many look. This would have been perfect for the mermaid look, like the one that I did for Halloween. This would have been amazing. I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you remember, this is like lip gloss, but it's super good to like attach the glitter. It's super amazing, and it comes with 3 of them. Now look at that glitter. This one is more chunky, but it's like a blue. This one is also chunky, but it's like a gold. Now this one is like a pink with white, but it has stars. Oh my god, I can't wait to create something with this. This is like white, but like a sparkle. Oh my god, look how gorgeous this is. This is like a blue with purple, and it has butterflies. Oh my god, just love it. And this is the last one. This one is like a gray white one. It has a butterfly flower. I'm in love. Like, this is, I don't think this was that expensive. I'm gonna look it up in Amazon, and I'm gonna put the description down below, but I don't think this was that expensive. But oh my god, I just love it. The first thing that I saw is like, what can I do with this? Amazing. The next thing that they give me is this, and this is so good. You put your phone, tablet, anything here, and then in this area right here, you hold it where you want, like, to hold this in place so you can watch whatever you want in here. It's so good. So Alex just got home, and he sees me that I'm filming, and he going like a slow motion so you guys cannot hear any noise in the background. But it's so adorable and cute, and blue is like everywhere. This next gift, it wasn't given to me. I bought it for Blue, but I wanted to show you because maybe you guys have a doggy or something like that, and it's so cute. I bought these PJs for Blue. Look how cute they are, and they have Santa. This gift right here is super cute, and I really like it a lot. It's a set of earrings, necklace, and bracelet from Nordstrom. Oh my god, they are so cute. Look at those earrings. I like really like simple things. And it also comes with the bracelet, and it comes with the necklace. That is so cute. Look, I'm gonna show you. Now let's jump to the clothes. They give me a lot of cute things and a lot of clothes that I love. And one of the pieces was this blouse that is so cute, and let me show it to you guys. This blouse, you can wear it like this. I love this kind of blouse that has the sleeves like this, and you can wear it like this if you want, with the shoulders covered, or you can wear them like this, that you can have the shoulders more released. But I really love this detail of this open right here, and with the shoulders out, it look really sexy, as you can see. Let me show you the back. Now the next thing was this pants. Oh my god, they are so cute. Both of these clothes was at Discovery. Now I also got this sweater. It's so cute and comfy. Don't mind the hairs. Blue got it and start playing with it and got hair all over. They also gave me this V-neck polo shirt. Super simple and cute. Okay, so this next gift, I love it, and it's this cute bathrobe. And I'm going to tell you a story about behind this. I had a bathrobe before, but the bathrobe that I have, that is this one right here, that I had, I'm sorry, Well, I still have it, but I guess I'm not gonna use it anymore. This bathrobe, they gave it to me. It was my first clothes since I got here from Cuba. It was the first clothes that I got when I got here to this country. So it's really special to me. They gave it to me when I was 14 and now I'm 24. So you know what happened to the clothes, no? You know, they shrink. Well, not really, we grow. But I'm really happy that they give me a new one and I'm gonna be enjoying it a lot. Now let's jump to the good stuff. My favorite part of everything. I know everything, I had love all the gifts and everything, but these ones are my favorite. Did I say that for all the gifts? Well, these ones are these shoes. Oh my goodness. They're like Converse type. Whoever knows me knows that I love socks. And this year, I guess everyone pay attention and give me socks. And not any type of socks. These ones are like towel socks. I don't know, they are so cute. And Ale gave me the cutest ones, and friends. These ones are so soft. Like if you want pleasant in your feet, I would really recommend you to buy these socks. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy and got a few ideas and it was helpful for you. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to show some support, you can go ahead and subscribe and also click on the bell so every single time that I post a new video you will get a notification. And nothing, I hope this 2020, this year, brings a lot of good things for you, and I hope I keep putting more videos for you and that you enjoy it and to entertain you. So nothing, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.